Welcome to Chinnu Maths tutorial. Today we discuss complex numbers exercise problems. సో ఈ ఛానల్ చూస్తున్న ప్రతి ఒక్కరు కూడా మన చిన్ను మ్యాథ్స్ ట్యుటోరియల్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ను సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. అలాగే పక్కనే గంట సింబల్ ఉంటుంది, దాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి. అగైన్ మీకు 3 ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి, అందులో ఆల్ అనే ఆప్షన్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోండి. సో అలా సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడే నేను పెట్టే ప్రతి వీడియో కూడా మీకు నోటిఫికేషన్ రూపంలో అందుతుంది. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియో చూసే కన్నా ముందు వీడియోకి ఒక లైక్ ఇవ్వండి. అలాగే ఈ వీడియోని మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరూ కూడా షేర్ చేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోమని చెప్పండి. సో ఛానల్కి సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ వెరీ మచ్. సో సబ్జెక్ట్లోకి వచ్చేసి, సో ఇన్ సెకండ్ సెక్షన్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy, it is the given condition, then find x square plus y square value. See here, what is the given that a plus ib whole square equal to x plus iy. Here it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square I square b square plus 2ab 2 into a into b into I equal to x plus iy. See here, it is equal to a square. What is I square value? Equal to minus 1 plus into minus of b square plus I into 2ab. It is equal to x plus iy. Write one bracket a square minus b square. You can observe that the two complex numbers are equal, then the real parts are equal and imaginary parts are equal. So then the real parts are equal, imaginary parts are equal. According to the condition, then x equal to a square minus b square, then imaginary part y equal to 2ab. But we have to find which value? X square plus y square value. So then x square plus y square equal to, what is the x value? Equal to a square minus b square again whole square plus y square value equal to 2ab whole square. Okay, it can be written as a square whole square, a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus of 2 into a into b plus 2 square means 4, again a square b square. Let's see, a square whole square plus b square y whole square plus 4a square b square minus of 2a square b square means you can write 2 into a square plus b square. You can observe that it is in the form of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So then you can write a plus b whole square. So that is equal to a square plus b square whole square. It is the value of x square plus y square. You have to find which value? X square plus y square value. So then x square plus y square value equal to a square plus b square whole square. Next we discuss the next problem. So it is very important for your annual examination. So if x plus iy equal to 3 by 2 cos theta plus I sin theta, then you can show that x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. So what is the given that x plus iy equal to 3 by 2 plus cos theta, we will write one bracket, plus I sin theta. Take the rationalization method. Rationalization by denominator value, that is equal to 2 cos theta minus of I sin theta by 2 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta. Okay, then x plus iy equal to, multiply the numerator value. So then 3 into 2 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta. You can observe the denominator value, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So then a square means 2 plus cos theta whole square minus of b square I into sin theta whole square. It is equal to x plus iy equal to, then 3 2 is 6 plus 3 cos theta minus of 3 into I sin theta, 3i into sin theta by denominator value. It is in the form of a plus b a square 4 plus b square cos square theta plus 2ab 2 into 2 4 into cos theta, then minus of I square into sin square theta, I square into sin square theta. Next we can write 6 plus 3 cos theta, write one bracket, next plus I into minus of 3 sin theta by 4 into 4 plus cos square theta, then 4 cos theta then I square value equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square theta, plus sin square theta. So it is equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta plus I into minus of 3 sin theta by, so then 4 plus 4 cos theta, 4 cos theta. So then I will write this 2 is one bracket plus sin square theta plus cos square theta. According to the trigonometric identity, the bracket value equal to 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta value equal to 1. So then x plus iy equal to, what is the numerator value equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta plus I into minus of 3 sin theta, 3 sin theta by, let's see, then 4 plus 4 cos theta, this value equal to 1. So then 4 plus 4 cos theta plus 1. So then it is equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta plus I into minus of 3 sin theta by 4 plus 1, 5 plus 4 cos theta. Split the denominator value into the real part and imaginary part. So then x plus iy equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta plus I into minus of 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 into cos theta. See here, it is in the form of a plus ib form. So then we can equating the real parts and imaginary parts. So then what is the x value equal to? X equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. Then y value equal to, imaginary part y value equal to minus 3 sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta. We know that x and y values. Take the LHS part. First find x square y square value. After that take the RHS part. Find the 4x minus 3 value. So LHS equal to RHS, then the given condition is satisfied, x square plus y square equal to 4x minus 3. This is x value and y value. Take the LHS. So what is the LHS value? LHS equal to x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So then you can write x square. So then 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus y square minus 3 into sin theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay, so then it is equal to x square plus y square equal to, it is in the form of a by b whole square, means a square by b square. So then 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square plus minus of 3 whole square means 9. So then 9, otherwise 3 sin theta, right, in next step, whole square by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. See here, what is the LCM? 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square is the LCM. So then the numerator value is 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. So the numerator value is 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square plus into minus, plus minus 3 into sin theta whole square. Write the expansion of 6 plus 3 cos theta whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. A square 36 plus b square 9 into cos square theta plus 2ab, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 6 36 cos theta, 36 into cos theta. Okay, then plus minus 3 sin theta whole square means finally you have to write 9 into sin square theta, 9 into sin square theta. So it is equal to 36 plus 36 into cos theta plus, for these two elements what is the common factor? 9 is the common factor, sin square theta plus cos square theta by denominator value is 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. Okay, according to the trigonometric identity, this value equal to 1. 1 into 9, 9. Then 36 plus 36 into cos theta plus 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. It is equal to 36 plus 9 equal to 45 plus 36 into cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta 5 by 4 cos theta whole square. It is equal to, what is the common factor for the numerator? 9 is the common factor. You can write 9 5 ja 45 plus 9 4 ja 36 into sin theta by 5 plus 4 into not sin theta, cos theta by cos theta whole square. So 5 plus 4 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta whole square. One element, both are gets cancelled. What is the remaining? 9 by 5 plus 4 into cos theta. It is the value of x square plus y square. It is equal to which value? LHS. The LHS value equal to x square plus y square. It is equal to 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. After that, find the RHS value. Next, RHS equal to, what is our RHS equal to? 4x minus 3. So then it is equal to 4 into, what is our x value equal to? The x value equal to 6 plus 3 cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta minus of 3. So then what is the LCM here? 5 plus 4 cos theta is the LCM. So then the numerator value is 4 into 6 plus 3 cos theta minus of 3 into bracket of 5 plus 4 cos theta. Okay. Next, then multiply the numerator value. 4 into 6 24 plus 12 into cos theta, then minus of 3 into 5 15 plus into minus 12 into cos theta by 5 plus 4 cos theta, 5 plus 4 cos theta. Then 24 minus of 10 equal to 9. So that is equal to 9. 24 minus 9 15 equal to 9. Next, plus 12 minus 12 both are gets cancelled. You will write then by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So it is equal to RHS value. So here from the LHS value equal to 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta, RHS value equal to 9 by 5 plus 4 cos theta. So according to two conditions, LHS equal to RHS. That is, what is the LHS value equal to? X square plus y square equal to 4x minus of 3. It is our final solution. Next, one more important question. It is also very important. So if x plus iy equal to, given that 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta, then you can show that 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. So let's take x plus iy equal to 1 by 1 plus cos theta plus I sin theta. I will take, this is one bracket, take the rationalization method. So then 1 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta by 1 plus cos theta minus of I into sin theta by taking the rationalization method. So then x plus iy equal to, what is the numerator value? 1 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta by observation of the denominator value. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A square 1 plus cos theta whole square plus a square minus b square minus of b square I sin theta whole square. Clear? It is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by a plus b whole square. So then a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into cos theta minus of I square into sin square theta, I square into sin square theta. So then it is equal to 1 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta by, so then 1 plus 2 cos theta, after that write cos square theta. What is the I square value equal to? Minus 1, minus into minus plus sin square theta. Take, this is one bracket. So then 1 plus cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 plus 2 cos theta. What is the bracket value according to the trigonometric identities? That is equal to 1. So finally you have to write x plus iy equal to 1 plus cos theta minus of I sin theta by denominator value 1 plus 1 2 2 plus 2 cos theta 2 plus 2 into cos theta. So then x plus iy equal to 1 plus cos theta, it can be written as plus I into minus of sin theta by, what is the common factor in denominator? So 2 is the common factor, then you can write 2 is the common factor 1 plus cos theta. In next step, split the denominator value into the real part and imaginary part. So then 1 plus cos theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta plus I into minus of sin theta by 2 into 1 plus cos theta. So then both are gets cancelled, 1 plus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So then you can write x plus iy equal to 1 by 2 plus I into minus of sin theta by 2 into bracket of 1 plus cos theta. So then you can equating the real parts and imaginary parts, but according to the problem here we have to write only x value. X is nothing but real part. What is our real part equal to? Z equal to 1 by 2. Okay, taking the cross multiplication, that is equal to 2x equal to 1. Squaring on both sides, what will get? 2x whole square equal to 1. It is implies 2x whole square is nothing but 4x square equal to 1. After that 4x square plus 1 can be written as here, that is minus 1 equal to 0. So then you will get 4x square minus 1 equal to 0. Next question. If u plus iv equal to 2 plus I by z plus 3 and given that z value equal to the complex number x plus iy, then find u and v values. So first of all, u plus iv equal to, given that 2 plus I by z plus 3, what is our z value equal to? X plus iy. Instead of z you can write x plus iy plus 3. Okay, so then it is equal to u plus iv equal to 2 plus I by x plus 3 real parts plus iy imaginary part. Take the rationalization by denominator value. So then x plus 3 minus of iy by x plus 3 minus of iy. Then u plus iv equal to 2 plus I into x plus 3 minus of iy by the observation of the denominator value, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b, a square minus of b square iy whole square. It is equal to u plus iv equal to, then multiply 2 into x plus 3 minus iy plus I into x plus 3 minus of iy. The bracket value is multiplied by 2, again the bracket value is multiplied by I, by denominator value, it is in the form of a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, x square plus 9 plus 2 into 3 6y minus of I square into y square. Next u plus, it is equal to 2 into x, 2x plus 6 minus of 2 iy plus I into x plus 3 into I plus into minus I square into y by x square plus 9 plus 6y. What is our I square value equal to? Minus 1, minus into minus plus y square. So then it is equal to u plus iv equal to, in numerator value 2x plus 6 into minus of 2 iy plus I into x, next plus 3i plus 3i, I square value equal to minus 1, minus into minus plus y by the denominator value equal to x square plus y square, write in one order, x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9, x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9. So then it is equal to, write the real parts one bracket, so then 2x plus y plus 6. These are the real parts. In remaining elements, so write the plus I is the common factor. What are the remaining? X minus of 2y plus 3 by x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9. So split the denominator value into the real part and imaginary part. So then u plus iv equal to 2x plus y plus 6 by x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9 plus I into x minus 2y plus 3 by x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9. See here, it is in the form of a plus ib form, equating the real parts and imaginary parts. You will get u value 2x plus y plus 6 by x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9. It is our u value. So equating the imaginary part, you will get v value. V equal to x minus 2y plus 3 by x square plus y square plus 6y plus 9. So then these are the u value and v value.